Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I gonna show different heavy stone home decoration ideas. I gonna show different rocks frame ideas. It is very beautiful and unique, and it is very classy, and I hope you like it. So you can see its color combination is very nice, bright and unique, and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Please share your friends and family members. So with Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.